Hi there, and today I will show you how to change the clock style on your cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So, as a first step, open Settings on your phone and scroll down until you will see this tab named Cover Screen. Click on it, and after click on your current wallpaper. Here, click on the current time, and right here you'd be able to change the style of clocks. You can choose whichever you want, and also on some of them you can change the font of time. For example, just like this. I like this one. And the next thing that we can change right here, that's show weather information. If we will enable this function, you'd be able to see the weather right under the time. And the last thing, you can change colors. You can choose gradient or just one tone color. After you are done with the changes, click this button down in the right corner and take a look on your cover screen. This is it. Now you know how to change the clock style on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.